In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw bar graphs in Stata or bar chart in Stata. The first thing that we have to do is to import the dataset. So we come here to File, we go to Import. So we are going to use Excel data and we click here, Import first row as variable names, and then we click OK. So if we click on this icon, Data Editor Browse, we will be able to see the data. It is a cryptocurrency data. Here we have the returns. We have the returns of each crypto. So we can see we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, etc., etc. The date is from 1st January 2020 to 17th May 2025. So it is a daily data of Bitcoin average returns. To do a bar chart, we come here to graphics, we click bar chart, actual data. Let's stick with graph of summary statistics. Then we click the first one. We use the mean. We can use other options. We can use median, percentile, but let's go with the graph of the mean of each of these returns. And then we click the variable. So we have the Bitcoin. We also click Ethereum, Tether, and XRP. So we draw a graph of the first four cryptos. And then we click OK. So you can see the results of the graph. We have the mean of Bitcoin, mean of Ethereum, mean of Tether. It is so raw, that's why it has not been displayed. And then we have the mean of XRP. But you can see this graph is quite basic. So what you can do is that we can go back to our graphics, go to bar chart. We can modify the graph, so we can see we can put different categories of the graph, but let us leave that for now. Let's go to bars. If you go to bars, we can see we have the bar for variable 1. We can edit it, and then you can see fill the color of the bar to be yellow, and then we click OK. For variable 2, we can click edit. Let's fill the color by green. We click accept. For variable 3, let the default let the color to be blue, and for variable 4, let the color to be, we can use a red color, and then we click accept. Another thing that we can do is that we can label. You can see the default bar label is do not label bars, but we can label it with bar height. So we click label with bar height. Another thing we can do, we can label the y-axis. So this is our bar. So our y-axis is actually the average or the mean of the returns. So you can just here write mean of the returns, mean of returns, and then we can label the title. You can see a bar chart of mean returns in cryptocurrencies. So we have the bar chart like that. We have the title. We have the title like that. So we can leave it like that for now, and then we click OK, and then so that is the bar chart now. You can see the bar chart now looks a bit beautiful for presentation. So now to be able to paste, you just need to come here, you right click, and then you copy, and then you paste it on your Word document. So you can see at least now we have quite a beautiful bar chart. So that is how you actually do a bar chart in Stata. Thank you.